Hey Curly Teas, this Kukui Tamanu butter has a great consistency and can be used right out of the jar without melting. Keep watching to see how it's made. Vegetable shortening is actually a great sealer and it helps to soften the hair. Now, it's not ideal to cook with, but is a great ingredient to lock in moisture. This is organic, sustainable palm shortening. If you don't want to use this, use cocoa butter instead. Now, cocoa butter is a much harder butter, so you can expect the final consistency to be thicker if you do. Caprylic capric triglycerides help decrease any overly greasy afterfeel. Here's a tip. Caprylic capric triglycerides and fractionated coconut oil are not the same. When you're looking for this ingredient, you will often see fractionated coconut oil, but they are completely different ingredients. This butter came out exactly as I wanted it. It's softening on my hair and skin. It's easy to apply, but it's not too liquidy, you know? It helps with moisture retention and it can be used as an ingredient in other recipes. Enjoy your product. You made it with your own hands, so you know everything that's in it. Don't forget to go to CURLYTEA.com for more information, to become a subscriber, to get access to all of the DIY recipes, ingredient lists, instructions, my notes, and ingredient recommendations. Become a patron at Patreon if that works better for you. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks for watching.